Hello everyone. Welcome to another video from the channel. Today, we will learn how to create an account on the Turnitin study website. Before starting the video, I really wanted to ask for your help by subscribing to my channel and leaving a like on this video. This will motivate me to bring more videos like this for you. Let's get started. Let's start by searching for the name of the website. After you press enter and search, a direct link to the website will appear, but don't click there. Click on Turnitin login. That way, you'll be ready straight to the page to create an account, without having to search for the option to create an account. This direct page will appear for us to create an account or log into the Turnitin website. Do not enter any email or password or connect with Google. You go where it says new user. Here is the page to create a new profile, and you will select if you are a student, a teaching assistant, or an instructor. You select student, and if you have any code to put there, you can fill. Now, we come to the part where you have to fill in all your details to finish creating your account. Firstly, enter your class ID. If you don't know, ask your instructor. Enter your class access key, and below is where we will fill in the name. First enter your first name, then enter your middle name or last name. Here is the part to fill in your email. Put your email in the first white bar, and where it says confirm email address, you put exactly the same email you entered above. After that, let's move on to creating your password. But you cannot enter any password. You have to create a password according to what is indicated in the words above. Your password must have at least 12 characters, must contain one capital letter, and at least one number. There it also asks you to include upper and lowercase letters, and it also asks you to include a special character, which is one of those that are appearing there, such as @ or /, for example. The bottom part, this is a secret question, and we'll explain what this secret question is for. If you forget your password one day, you can recover it through the secret question. So choose a question according to what you want, and give an answer to that question. If one day you forget the password, you will have to answer that secret question correctly. And here, in this white bar below, this is where you will type in your answer according to the question you selected. After filling out this part, continue scrolling down and click on Accept all terms and conditions. Click on the option I am not a robot, and then click on the blue button below I agree, create profile. And that's basically it. It's very easy to create an account. I hope I've helped you in some way. Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe and leave a like. See you next time. Bye.